The Taraba State Primary Healthcare Agency has presented protective kits, including 2 ambulances, to its personnel in the front line of the battle against the spread of the coronavirus in the state. The agency is working with the coronavirus task force set up by Governor Darius Ishaku to help to protect health workers and caregivers while in the line of duty. Correspondent Owolabi Adenusi filed in his report.
About 40 health personnel have tested positive for coronavirus in the country. It is a wake-up call for the federal government and all states to show more commitment to protecting health workers in the thick of the battle against the contagion. The Taraba state government is taking a cue from this and, as through its primary health care agencies, is doubling efforts to protect its staff by giving needed medical material by the director of the agency.
What we have been able to do is to ensure that the 168 1 PSC per wards that we have in the state are fully kitted, because these are the frontline health workers that will be found in nook and crannies of our local governments, and we felt they need to be kitted, looking at the fact that already they have been trained by the state epidemiologists in collaboration with WHO, but there is no need allowing them to stay fallow. They must at least have some elements of materials that may be required to be used in the health facilities so as to safeguard themselves first before even attending to other clients when the need arises.
He commended Governor Darius Ishaku for providing health workers with an enabling environment to work without fear. He explained that 168 town criers were engaged by the agency to pass safety information to the people at the grassroots.
This is the emphasis, and that is even the reason why we employ the services of our town announcers, 168 of them across nook and crannies of the state, to ensure that they go around to continue giving announcements based on the schedule given to them.
The chairman of the Primary Health Workers Association, who received the items on behalf of 16 directors, appreciated the gesture. He believes that fight against the dreaded virus can only be achieved through a collective effort.
But in his own magnanimity, the governor has been able to direct the State Ministry of Health to provide protective equipments for the frontline health workers.
Taraba has no record yet of a coronavirus case, but its health personnel have been working round the clock to educate citizens on ways to protect themselves and make the state free of the infection.